Predictions/Preparedness for the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. Introduction. The 2025 Atlantic hurricane season is expected to be above average, with a forecast of 17 named storms, 9 of which will become hurricanes, and 4 of those becoming major hurricanes, Cat 3 or higher. The season officially begins on June 1st and ends on November 30th, but a hurricane can appear before or after this time frame, so be aware of that. Further information on the predictions. Above average activity. Forecasters predict an above average season with more named storms, including hurricanes and major hurricanes, than the long-term average. Factors influencing the season: warmer than average sea surface temperatures and INSO neutral conditions are contributing factors to the expected above average activity. Landfall probabilities. The report includes probabilities of major hurricanes making landfall in the U.S. with a 51% chance for the entire U.S. coastline. Let's try this slide again. Landfall probabilities. The report includes probabilities of major hurricanes making landfall in the U.S. with a 51% chance for the entire U.S. coastline, 26% for the East Coast, and 33% for the Gulf Coast. Preparation is key. Regardless of the specific forecast, it's crucial to prepare for the hurricane season, as even a single hurricane making landfall can make it an active season. Official beginning and end. As I said earlier in the video, the official beginning of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season is June 1st, and the official end is November 30th. But as I also said earlier, a hurricane can appear at any point in time before or after this time frame. Create an emergency kit. Water. Store enough water, 1 gallon per person per day, to last at least 3 days. Food. Have non-perishable, easy to prepare food for 3 days for evacuation, or 2 days, or 2 weeks for staying home. Medications. Ensure you have a 2-week supply of prescription and over-the-counter medications. First aid kit. Include a complete first aid kit with all necessary supplies. Communication. Keep a portable radio, flashlights, and extra batteries. Important documents. Store copies of important documents, insurance, medical records, etc. in a waterproof container. Other essentials include toiletries, sanitation supplies, cash, and any special needs items for pets and babies. Plan for evacuation. Know where you'll go, how you'll get there, and where you'll stay if evacuation is necessary. Protect your home. Secure exterior. Brace doors and windows with plywood or shutters. Clear yard. Remove any debris that could be blown around and cause damage. Turn off utilities. Be prepared to turn off your power, gas, and water if necessary. Choose a safe room. Identify an interior room as a safe room during a storm. Stay informed and follow instructions. Monitor weather. Listen to weather updates on a battery-powered radio or NOAA weather radio. Know your zone. Determine if you live in a hurricane evacuation zone. Follow evacuation orders. If instructed to evacuate, do so promptly. Stay indoors. Stay inside during the storm to avoid fire and debris and other hazards. After the storm, be prepared for power outages and follow public safety instructions. And I forgot the end slide again, so thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.